Yo.
Yo, Jay Weezy, what's up with you, man?
Yo, bro, you been good? I've been smooth for me. I'm alive and breathing, so I'm blessed. Trying to stay busy,
bro. You overwork, you gonna start going crazy. And feel me, not gonna be yourself no more, bro. You gotta chill.
Hey, Jay, Arce, you told me to, bro. Sometimes I be overworking, I ain't gonna lie.
See? That's why you gotta take some time for you, bro. You overwork, you gonna start going crazy.
I wish they could see the vision. I'm struggling, they don't know how I'm feeling. Oh no, I'm just trying to keep my head uplifted. I smile when I'm in pain, so it's hard to tell the difference. I keep running to the substance, cause that's the only thing keep me from tripping. She sweating me, worried about these other women, but compared to other niggas, I'm the realest. So now I gotta deal with it. Keep getting this feeling. Am I the hero or the villain? Such a crazy feeling, cause I be sitting thinking I'm who keeping me from winning. I need to take some time for me, like Breezy said. The nights that I can't fall asleep, I'm in my head. Ain't no death was so close to me, but Jason's dead. Need to change my trajectory, just like I said. So when I feel defeated, know it's all my fault. I keep letting me down, cause the time I've been low. Been distracted by shit that ain't gon' last me too long. I be going crazy when I'm alone in my something fucking up his mental. Say he can't be himself without the liquor in his system. He try to explain the problem. I know it's something bigger. Look him in his eyes just like I'm looking in the mirror. He's so full of pain, that's why the picture hit me clearer. No, he know we can understand it's difficult. Being hypocritical, don't change the individual. Call my little brother, wishing he would open up to me. Pushed him to the side when I was little, that shit hated me. We got some shit in common, suicidal thoughts. Brody got a poker face to go to, I know what I thought. I drove down to LA just to go check up on my mama, to make sure that she could make sure she dealing with no drama. I know she stressing out, she keep it all up in her head. I get her out the house, she just wanna lay up in that bed. I know she feel depressed, I'm thinking as a man, and that shit got me feeling less. Because I know I attitude is crazy. How am I gonna act like this towards the one that made me? Yeah. My brother see it now. It's like when he be on his shit, I be get falling down. We so filled with ambition, so I know he understand. We go off each other energy, that's why this shit be killing me. Cause I know I'm the one that got no one is with the plan. Sometimes I just feel ugly and I hope you understand. Nothing with the exterior, it's all deep down within. I went into it blindly, but see now I got a plan. So now I gotta deal with it, keep getting this feeling. Am I the hero or the villain? You know it's such a crazy feeling, cause I be sitting thinking I'm who keeping me from winning. I need to take some time for me, like Breezy said. The nights that I can't fall asleep, I'm in my head. Ain't no death was so close to me, but Jason's dead. Need to change my trajectory, just like I said. So when I feel defeated, know it's all my fault. I keep letting me down, cause the time I've been low. Been distracted by shit that ain't gon' last me too long. I be going crazy when I'm alone in my room. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, it's Arce, baby. It's Arce, baby.